you ever asked yourself this question, I wonder if that's recyclable? Let's face it, we all have. Even with the expanded single-stream recycling and number coding, it can still be pretty confusing. And not only that, some communities accept some things and other communities don't, even if they have single-stream recycling. So these are all products that came in here at the Columbus Recycling Center, and unfortunately not all of these are recyclable. So we're going to go quickly through what we have here on the table and pull out what needs to go in the trash, and the rest is going to go back in the pile of recyclables here. Let's start with our recyclable darling, the aluminum can. In fact, 75% of the aluminum that's ever been mined is still in use today, and this is helping that. So another recyclable here is number 2, HDPE, high density polyethylene. That's going to be a little bit more firm. This is also a number 2 bottle, so those are going to go back in our pile. I believe this is number 1, which is polyethylene trichloride, PET. A lot of water bottles are going to be made out of that, of course, also recyclable. Now, solo cups, not accepted at all recycling centers. Number 6, polystyrene, but it is accepted here in Columbus. Although, plastic hangers, not accepted. Gonna put that in the trash. Of course, we have a milk jug, which is also number 2. It's clear. This stuff is now as valuable as aluminum. Pretty amazing. Back in the pile. Steel cans, also known as tin, recyclable as well. Notice how this top's attached. That's going to help it get through the system. Although the magnet here is going to catch all this stuff. Paper board, cereal boxes, the things that come in magazines that they shouldn't put in there to begin with. Recyclable material. Although, this carton is not. It's got a lining inside it. Cardboard on the outside because it's fused material. It's got to go in the trash. Now, cartons are recyclable somewhere, just not here in Columbus. We're getting into the no pile here. This plastic dog food bag, not recyclable. This plastic cooler lid, even though the outside may be recyclable, the inside is foam. Again, we got 2 materials here. It's got to go in the trash. Set of styrofoam over here. Styrofoam is number 6. It's actually labeled with the number 6 recycling symbol. There are some recyclers that will take this, not accepted here in Columbus. You might try your local grocery store. Sometimes in small quantities they'll take foam. Just look for a bin out front of the store. But in this case, we got to put these in the trash. And that includes these food service bins. This one is actually made out of cardboard, which would be recyclable. But since it's contaminated, we got to put it in the trash. That degrades the value of the paper. So we've got white paper, awesome. Newspaper, of course, that's recyclable. Pizza box, bring it on. Now, here are a few funny items over here. Air filter, not recyclable. I mean, there's like 6 materials in this thing. Put it in your trash. Plastic raincoats. Probably reusable, but not recyclable. Of course, we have cardboard here, but something to think about when you're looking at a cardboard box and whether to recycle it is go ahead and break it down. That helps it get through the system. We've got this foam inside it. This needs to be thrown away even while we recycle the box, but I'm gonna go ahead and break it down just for... Again, if you come on the tour here, you see how the screen handles cardboard. And it does that because it's nice and wide and flat. Oh, and these, tennis racket, shoe, nice try, but they belong in the trash. One final thought. It feels good to recycle more. We want you to recycle more. But if you're recycling things that shouldn't be, in the recycling bin, then they're contaminants, and that decreases the value of everything behind me. So, thank you for your recycling efforts. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informational and helping you understand what can go in the bin and what should not go in the bin. So the best rule of thumb is this: know what is on your recycler's accepted list and follow that. Put it in or keep it out. That's just another easy way to be green.
As always, our challenge to you: put your green on one leg at a time. For more information about recycling in Columbus, or to visit the Recycling and Sustainability Center, visit our website at columbusga.org.
And to request your recycling container, call 311.